costing leave to a department or job. If you would like your team to be able to cost their leave to specific jobs or departments for tracking and reporting purposes, here's how you can set this up. Log into Smartly and click on Employee Details on the left-hand taskbar. Click on Employee List and highlight the employee you want to make changes to. In this instance, we're going to use Delilah. Once you have selected the employee, scroll down on the left-hand taskbar and select Employee Costing. Now scroll down until you see the Pay Component Costing section. Here you will tick on Enable Costing in Leave Requests and hit Save. Your employee now will be able to allocate their leave to different departments when submitting their timesheets using the Smartly mobile app. Now let's look at what your employees will see on their Smartly mobile app with this function turned on. When your employee goes to submit leave, they will see a new section titled Costed To. Here they can select a department or job to cost their leave to. Once done, they can hit the Submit button as usual. Check out Smartly's full labour costing guide for step-by-step instructions on how to set up and use the new added improvements. Click the link on the description below.